आज आमचे बरोबर जॉईन जातात गोंयांतले नामनेचे चाइल्ड स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर माधव वागडे. दोतोर, वेलकम टू द शो. सगळ्यात पयली गजाल तुमकां विचारचीशी दिसता ती म्हळ्यार फर्स्ट वेव आनी सेकंड वेव तुमी भुरग्यांकय म्हणटाले की चड इफेक्ट जायना पण ह्या दोनी वेवाच्या मदीं तुमकां कितें फरक जाणवला काय कितें की पयलीं कमी भुरग्यांक जोर येतालो किंवा ही सिम्पटम्स दिसतालीं, सेकंड वेवा भितर चड दिसतात, असो कितें तुमकां तुमच्या हातसकल्यान इतलीं भुरगीं वतात, तुमकां कितें फरक जाणवला काय कितें?
कितें आसा, फर्स्ट वेव जालो पळय सुरवातीक समवेर इन इंडिया इट स्टार्टेड अराउंड Feb 20. So तेन्ना the full population was at risk. So those with comorbidities and the old people with less immunity, they were affected. So children usually have comparatively good immunity, so they skipped the first wave. Only there were hardly asymptomatic cases in kids or just a mild fever or whatever.
Okay.
Whereas the second wave, the elderly people were already affected, so they may have been immune, and the next lot, that is somewhere around 40 plus were affected in the second wave. Plus children were also affected in a milder way, in the sense they used to have fever and vomiting and loose motions in the second wave, which was much less in the first wave.
ओके. दोतोर, जेन्ना आमी आतां थर्ड वेवाची उलयतात, तुमी कितें एंटिसिपेट करतात ह्या दोनी फर्स्ट वेव आनी सेकंड वेवाची तुमची जे असेसमेंट आसा, तुमी जे भुरग्यांक पळयला, तुमी एंटिसिपेट कशी, कारण प्रत्येकाच्या तकल्या भितर एक भंय तयार जाला की थर्ड वेव भुरग्यांक हिट जातली आनी एकदां स्वताक जेन्ना हिट जाता तेन्ना सुद्दां चड हें दिसना, कशें तरी करून भायर सरया असो विचार आसता. भुरग्यांक जाता तेन्ना आकांत आयिल्ल्या भशेन जाता.
See, this the third wave or second wave, what it differs is only the timing. So first, second and third wave. Now, itla bhiupache kai tashe na, it will be almost same. Only thing is that what happens is that the third wave will be mainly affecting the kids. The elderly will already be sort of immune by immunization or they've already had it. Same thing about the 18 to 45. So mainly the kids will be affected and affected in the same way as the earlier ones, unless the virus, because they mutate, and we have heard of double mutant strains which are very highly proliferate and they are very more pathogenic. So they may present with severe manifestations. So that has to be seen. So unless we really see it, we cannot say. Maybe quite a similar one or it may be quite severe one. It's difficult to say.
दोतोर, एक गजाल मुद्दम विचारची आसा की गोंयाचे दृश्टींतल्यान जर आमी पळयलें, आतां सेकंड वेवाच्या बाबतींत आमचो सगळ्यांत व्हडलो जाता की आमचे कडेन फर्स्ट वेवाचो अनुभव आशिल्लो, बट वी डीड नॉट प्रिपेर आवर सेल्स इनफ टू फेस दी सेकंड वेव. आज जेन्ना हें करतात आमी थर्ड वेवा कडेन वचचे पयलीं, फ्रॉम एक डॉक्टर म्हणून, मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट म्हणून तुमकां कितें दिसता की हे सेकंड वेव हँडल करपाक कितें चुको जाल्यो आमच्यो?
No, main thing is that we did not prepare for the second wave. Actually, India had very good time because second wave was much earlier abroad, like in the West.
Aye.
So India had a lot of time because our cases in the first wave decreased by October, November, and by Feb we were almost free. And we could have planned a lot because whereas it started in the UK or US much earlier. So we had almost 5 to 6 months time to prepare ourselves. So it's difficult to say who is to be blamed, but we did not prepare for that. So that is the main reason we are in sort of now for the second wave we are facing a lot of difficulties.
आणि जेन्ना आमी आतां दोतोर थर्ड वेव म्हणटात, तुमकां कितें दिसता की थर्ड वेवाच्या दृश्टींतल्यान कितें प्रिपरेशन जावपाक जाय?
थर्ड वेवाच्या प्रिपरेशनांतल्यान आतां preparations will be naturally good because we have really suffered a lot of the second wave because of the malpreparation. So third wave, hopefully the governments will be much more prepared with the help.
आणि भुरग्याच्या
Doctors,
दृष्टींतल्यान जेन्ना दोतोर
staff.
म्हणटा आमी भुरग्याक हिट जावपाक शकता,
Yes.
तुमच्या अनुभवांतल्यान गोवा एज अ स्टेट आमी कसली आनी कितें रॅम्प अप करपाची गरज आसा, कन्सिडरींग दॅट एडल्ट्सूय हिट जावपाक शकतात थर्ड वेवा भितर आनी चिल्ड्रनूय हिट जावपाक शकतात, आनी दोगी जाणांक हँडल करपाची तरा तर कंप्लिटली वेगळी मेडिकली. सो त्या दृश्टींतल्यान किती प्रिपरेशन जावपाची, तयारी जावपाची, रॅम्पिंग अप जावपाची गरज आसा?
For the third wave, mainly the pediatricians should be involved. म्हणजे भुरग्यांच्या दोतोराक इन्वॉल्व करपाक जाय, because there's a lot of difference between the adults and the children, because you can never means the adult doctors cannot handle the children. So naturally more means liberty should be given to the pediatricians. Yeah. So and all the preparations otherwise the same, the SMS and all that has to be strongly implemented. SMS means that sanitization, mask, and the social distancing. So which has already been there for last 1.5 years. So hopefully, if the public behavior is good, means all this SMS is taken care properly, then I think we should be able to handle the third wave very good, in fact.
आता जर भुरग्यांचे आमी जेन्ना उलयतात भुरग्यांचो ICU, तेन्ना स्टाफाची ट्रेनिंग वेगळी आसता, हँडल करपाची पद्दत वेगळी आसता, इवन थोडी मशिनरी वेगळी आसता. गोंया भितर असो ट्रेन्ड स्टाफ आसा काय कितें, काय कन्सिडरींग दीस डेंजर ऑफ थर्ड वेव आमी ह्याचो फुडली एक मे बी 2-3 म्हयन्याचो काळ आसा, तो नवीन स्टाफ तयार करपाक किंवा एक्झिस्टिंग स्टाफाक ट्रेन करपाक वापरपाक जाय?
No, we have trained staff because we have PICU, we have NICU, full-fledged GMC, and in the private there are many NICUs and PICUs which cater to the children and the neonates. So of course the staff तयार करपाक I agree, because we don't know how much means कितले असतले ते सांगू शकना आमी, but we have staff, and I think certain staff like especially nurses and all should be trained, because they are the ones who are more handling. And another thing is that we have to see that immunization is done properly and fast, because what happens is children in ICUs require someone. So children will have to have the parents, means mother or the father or the caretaker. So naturally, unless they are well immunized, they cannot stay in ICU.
Yeah.
For an adult, that was not needed. Adults, they can take care of themselves, but children, they cannot. They have to have someone. So that is the main reason why immunization is important, so that the parents are duly immunized.
दुसरी एक गजाल जी मुद्दाम विचारचीशी दिसता ती म्हळ्यार स्ट्रॅटजी ऑफ वॅक्सिनेशन कितें आसची, कारण कन्सिडरींग दॅट एक पेरंटाक आपल्या भुरग्या बरोबर रावची पडपाक शकता, खंयच्या ग्रुपाक वॅक्सिनेशनाक आतां प्रायोरिटी दिवपाची गरज आसा? हांवें इतल्याच खातीर विचारता की फर्स्ट वेवा उपरांत बिकॉज इट इज एल्डरली पीपल गेटींग अफेक्टेड, आमी तांचे खातीर पयलीं स्टार्ट केलें, तांची सोंपची पयलींच आमकां लक्ष आयलें की आवर मिडल एज पॉप्युलेशन इज गेटींग अफेक्टेड, तें स्टार्ट केलें. फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम प्रोबेबली आमचे कडेन अशी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा, आमकां खबर आसा व्हायरस म्युटेट जाता, किड्स अफेक्ट जावपाक शकतात. सो तें मतीक धरून which segment on which age group needs to be vaccinated on priority now?
See, 20 to 45 years, there is a parental age, so that is what is required. And it has to be done as fast as possible, because we don't know when the wave is going to come. They say it's going to come in October, November, but looking at the second wave, immediately followed the first wave. There were hardly any gaps. So the same way we may have the third wave by August, September.
दुसरो एक गजाल दिसता की वी शुड नॉट हें जावपाक जायना, घाळ रावपाक जायना, एक गजाल जाली. आनी दुसरी गजाल प्रिपेर्डनेसाच्या बाबतींत इंडिविज्युअली भुरग्यांची इम्युनिटी बी वाडोवपा खातीर एक आमी आतां उलयतात ती एक राज्यस्तरीय यंत्रणा, स्टेट लेवल प्रिपेर्डनेस, सरकारान कितें करपाक जाय हें. दुसरें एज इंडिविज्युअल्स, एज पेरंट्स, घरा कडेन आमी कितें करपाची गरज आसा सो दॅट भुरग्यांची इम्युनिटी वाडटली, बरी उरतली, एनीथिंग दॅट यू वूड लायक टू सजेस्ट की पेरंट्सांनी फुडले 1-2 म्हयने सामके कटाक्षान करपाक जाय?
No, first and foremost thing is the diet.
Hmm.
So the kids have to be given a proper nourishing diet. It should be high protein and carbohydrates and the minerals and the vitamins. That is number one. Number two, they should be well vaccinated for the other illnesses. Means the routine vaccination should be done because many kids alter on that. So that is important. आणि दुसरे म्हळ्यार hygiene, because hygiene has to be good, because hand washing and all that has to be done, and the kids have to be trained. Means they should know that whenever they go out, they should come home and clean themselves. And of course, see, outdoor games will hardly be there till we vaccinate our kids. So till that time, we can not think of much outdoor games in kids. So
एक प्रश्न दोतोर खुबशे पेरंट्स विचारतात ते शाळेचे कितें. आनीक आतां ऑलमोस्ट वर्स जावन गेलें, 1.5 वर्स जावपा येतलें. भुरगीं घरा कडेन आसात आनीक ऑनलायन शिकतात. सो तुमचो असेसमेंट कितें? आमी भुरग्यांक शाळेक धाडपाचें इतली बेगीन चिंतपा शकतात, काय जशी दीस वतात तशी परिस्थिती पळोवन डिसायड करया?
see, this is a tricky thing. The schools had started, earlier in Germany or in US, and wherever they started, they found out that the cases increased almost 10 times. So that is the reason again they were shut back. So now only thing is that now many schools have started in US, but with good social distancing and decreasing the hours, because you can make it few students alternate days, something like that. So the government has to think over that. But schools have to be started because the kids are really suffering for last 1.5 years.
आनीक दोतोर एक पेरंट्सांक दिसता की स्क्रिना मुखार जर भुरगीं बसून क्लासी अटेंड करपा लागली, भुरग्यांच्या दोळ्यांचेर प्रभाव पडटलो, तांगेले ग्रास्पिंगूय तशें जावचें ना. वॉट वूड यू टेल दीज पेरंट्स? कारण दीज आर जेन्युइन फियर्स, काय तुमकां दिसता की इट्स अ व्हेरी स्मॉल पिरियड टू कम टू दॅट कन्क्लुजन?
These are genuine fears, because what happens is they do not grasp much online because they are kids. Number one, hardly they sit in one place.
Correct.
And number two, when they are in a class, they naturally take in more. So grasping is naturally better. But you have to weigh both the things. See, school starting, and if they are in trouble with the COVID again. So that's the reason I said you have to keep a proper social distancing and decreasing the hours and manage. So you have to go with both online plus physical. So both ways it can be done. Because the immunization, I don't know when it's going to come, because a child can freely go out only when it's 2 weeks after they are with 2 doses of vaccine. And I don't know when the vaccines are going to be ready for the kids. They are still under trial. Phase 1, phase 2.
दोतोर मुद्दा अनेक गजाल विचारता की सरकारान सध्या 10वीची परीक्षा कॅन्सल केल्या. सो फ्रॉम अ मेडिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, हाऊ डू यू लुक एट दिस डिसिजन? फेअर डिसिजन और आनी कितें मार्ग काडपा जातालो हातूंतल्यान?
No, I feel it's a fair decision. Of course, some means it has got both ways. Means some really bright students may say it's wrong.
Yeah.
But you have to weigh both the things, and I think it's a right decision.
दोतोर लास्ट प्रश्न म्हजो, तुमकां जर एक एडवायस सद्याक पेरंट्सांक आनी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक, म्हळ्यार इंडिविज्युअल लेवलाचेर आनी स्टेट लेवलाचेर जर दिवपाचो जालो एज एन एक्सपर्ट, तुमी दोनी सेगमेंटा खातीर कितें एडवायस दितले?
As an individual level, number one is the parents have to change their living. In the sense, behavior has to be changed, because number one is SMS, that is the same, social distancing, sanitization and masks. Masks have to be worn all the time whenever they are out, all the time. And at home they are not needed, but masks have to be worn properly. And number two, socially respectable people have to wear the mask in the crowd. because a lot of learning is there from the people who are socially respectable, like politicians or actors or heroes, whoever.
Yeah.
They should be really wearing the mask whenever they are in the crowd, means meetings or whatever. So what happens is people naturally, lay people, they think that he is not wearing, so why should I wear? So that should not be done, because that is very, very important. And as far as the individual, means hygiene is under important, and for the government, vaccination is a must. So that is very, very, very important.
तुम्ही म्हणतात की सरकारान फॅसिलिटीज रॅम्प अप करच्योच, बट इव्हेंच्युअली एट द बेज ऑफ इट इज वॅक्सिनेशन. जर आमी वॅक्सिनेशनाक फाटी उरले,
सगळ्यांक वॅक्सिन दिवपाची,
हय.
दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट.
व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. कारण फॅसिलिटीज रॅम्प अप केल्यार घडये आमी क्वांटम मॉनिटर करपाक शकतले और मॅनेज करपाक शकतले, बट विदाउट वॅक्सिनेशन
that is the only thing which is going to decrease this
that's the only buffer zone.
yes.
दोतोर, थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर जॉयनिंग. वेळ काडलो, उलयले. म्हाका दिसता जशी दीस वतले तशी परत उलोवया, कारण थर्ड वेवाचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतात तेन्ना तुमचे सारके एक्सपर्ट जांकां इतल्या वर्सांचो अनुभव आसा, आय थिंक तुमचे गायडन्स आनी एक्सपर्टिजाचेरच मुखार वचचें पडटलें. थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर जॉयनिंग दोतोर.
Thank you.